15 Mostly used terms of Active Directory with their meaning. In this video, we'll discuss about 15 mostly used terminologies of Active Directory, AD, which is a directory service developed by Microsoft for use in Windows environments. Active Directory is used to manage and organize information about network resources and users. Active Directory, AD, Microsoft's directory service that stores information about objects on a network and makes this information available to users and network administrators. Domain, a logical grouping of network objects, computers, users, devices, that share a common security policy and database, managed by a domain controller. Domain controller, DC, a server that responds to security authentication requests within a Windows domain. It holds a copy of the Active Directory database and authenticates users. Forest, a collection of one or more Active Directory domains that share a common schema, configuration, and global catalog. It is the highest level of organization within Active Directory. Organizational unit, OU, a container within a domain used to organize objects, such as users, groups, and computers, for administrative purposes. OUs provide a way to delegate administrative authority. Group policy, a feature in Active Directory that allows administrators to control and configure user and computer settings centrally. It helps enforce security settings, software installation, and more. Schema, the definition of all object types and attributes that make up the Active Directory database. It defines the structure of objects stored in the directory. LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, a protocol used to access and manage directory services. Active Directory uses LDAP for communication. Global Catalog, a distributed data repository that contains a searchable, partial representation of every object in every domain within a forest. It is used for searching and locating information in a multi-domain forest. Trust relationship, a relationship established between domains to allow users in one domain to access resources in another domain. Trusts can be one-way or two-way. SID, Security Identifier, a unique alphanumeric identifier assigned to each security principal, user, group, computer, in Active Directory. It is used for authentication and authorization. Kerberos, a network authentication protocol used in Active Directory environments to provide secure authentication between clients and servers. DNS, Domain Name System, the system used to translate domain names into IP addresses. In Active Directory, DNS is crucial for locating domain controllers and other network resources. Replication, the process of copying and distributing directory data between domain controllers to ensure consistency and availability of information throughout the network. Forest Functional Level, the version of the Active Directory forest that determines which features and capabilities are available. It is raised as newer domain controllers are introduced. This glossary covers some fundamental terms related to Active Directory. Understanding these terms is essential for working with and managing Windows-based network environments. Top of form. Bottom of form.